Analytic tools are the special tools for generating code, syntax, and cross-coverage reports in cross-platform HTML format, analyzing the streams and checking if the streams set can be lowered. The output of analytic tools is a report with syntax and code coverage. Syntax coverage is a pool of syntax elements defined by the official specification of the codec with their particular ranges of values. Analytic tools show the percentage of existing values, percentage of touched and covered syntax elements. Sometimes, simple 1D coverage is not enough. That is why DVK includes cross-coverage in VVC reports, cross-coverage in 2D reports. To reduce costs, it needs to be smart. So in some situations, there is a need to check element coverage with some background knowledge, another element. Code coverage includes the percentage of coverage and shows uncovered regions of code easy to spot. Analytic tools contain instruments for a graphical representation of syntax and code coverages, speed up test cycles by reducing the streams and their number, compare the stream coverage.